It is TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio. We're here, you know what I say, with the man himself, Phil Watkins. Yes, man, say?
Yeah, man, Phil Watkis.
Kiss.
Yeah, man, it's a weird name.
Listen, it's that name, it's difficult.
Yeah, yeah, so you have
Kings.
You have no. You have man that say Phil Waltris, Phil watch this, Phil watch this, all kind of stuff, but it's WATKIS.
Yeah.
Phil Watkis, and it's easy. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Right now, as we are saying, this is Utrecht. This is in Holland, yeah? Utrecht, where they are chill, and the general is here chilling with us, and they might give a little feedback on where music start, and where his direction of music is going, and what kind of people he might try. We call it now reach. You understand me? On this platform that he's on now, and it has been a good tour as so far as he's saying he's been in Europe for 19 days so far.
19 days so far.
Yeah, man, and this has been good so far. It's a good experience for him, but we're thanking you, brother.
Yeah, man.
For being on TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio.
Thank you very much.
Understand
Thanks
me?
for having me, brother.
And as you build, we're going to build with you. Understand? Strength to strength, you know what I mean? Now, we're here chilling with Phil Watkis, right? And we're here, it's on the chill spot with TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio, you know what I mean? So we're going to vibes with him. So I'm going to get off camera so he can tell you in person about what's going on with himself and his music, you know what I mean? So Phil Watkis.
Sometimes you see when some people give you some criticism, it's not to tear you down, and it's not that you're less valuable than another man. It's sometimes when we lose ego, I know that there's always room for growth, and more growth, and more growth, because there's always expansion. Take for example, one of them popular fast food place. One branch started here maybe 1765, and then after 2010, there are branches all over the world. That is growth, that is expansion. So when you lose all ego and take constructive criticism, you will now allow yourself to develop and evolve. So here I am today. Not at my epitome, but I'm still growing. I'm still growing, and I'm open for growth. Yeah, man. So my life has changed musically. A lot of things change, you know. Not where I want to be, but I'm where I am today because of my persistence and perseverance and faith and belief in myself. Through reggae music, through music.
You have been in Europe for what? 1 month or 2 months so far?
Okay, so far this year,
yeah.
I've been here since the 3rd of July, and today is what? The 22nd?
Yeah.
Yeah, 19 days.
Yeah, man.
And so far, great experiences, some disappointments, but the disappointment now educate me on what to do better next time. But there's no guarantee when it comes down to disappointment. You know what I mean? I could be the biggest artist and still there's just one thing that throws us off. You know what I mean? But I'm grateful, and so far it is great. You know, meet some great people. Did a wonderful performance. We did Tivoli in Utrecht, Funky Vegan Festival. You know, the 2 first shows that we came here for, which was supposed to be in Den Bosch, and another show in Zoetermeer. They got cancelled. You know what I mean? For whatever the reason, the promoter say, you know, we work with it and we'll just move forward, and you know, we're looking for a greater vibe, greater shows. Today, we're now right now at Alegria Festival, you know, and I'm looking forward to do a great presentation, you know? Yeah, man. So the vibe's nice, and all I'm looking for is just greatness. Well, alright, right now, we're there. You know what I mean? First and foremost, I'm human. I'm a person before a personality, and I'm still developing myself. You know, as grown as I might look, you know what I mean, there are things that I need to learn, things that I'm discovering, new things, you know what I mean, and the more I learn is the more I can apply this energy to my music. You know, really and truly what my music is about. My music about a positive vibration, and I don't want, when you think positive vibration is just the check, you know what I mean? I want music be white. I want to take on some compa, I want to take on, you know, mental, I want to take on pop and house, and, you know, spreading that same positive vibration through that kind of music. You know what I mean? Songs for the Empress, you know, songs for people have fun, songs for people have a vibe and them can enjoy themselves, you know? Yeah, man, so right now, bit up on the journey. Like I said, I'm still not at the epitome of my career. Still not the big, you know what I mean, illustrious figure. However, I'm growing, and so I grow, my music will grow. And every opportunity that I get to share this music, I'm grateful for it, you know? And like I said, the album is out, The Insurrection. It's in our digital platform. You know, I have CDs that you can get on Amazon and all of these places. You know, I have merchandise. You know what I mean? This is the Phil Watkis t-shirt.
Yeah, bad money.
You know what I mean? I have them in green, black and red. You get me, and I have some hoodie too, and you know what I mean? So you can get all these things on my website, philwatkis.com. Yeah? You get to see where my next show is, to see what's going on, what's popping with Phil. Every information is there. Check it out.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
As we come to the end of our show today, you know what I'm saying? We want to thank you, Phil Watkis, for being here. We know you're going to be performing in 15 minutes, yeah? So I want to thank you for being here, and it has been good. And I hope you luck and whole heap of success for the rest of the tour. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
More straight, more life.
Give thanks, man. More life, more blessing and prosperity. And in a few, catch us live around there. When you hear the music, I boom around there. Yeah. So like I put on a vibration on the people. While I'm there, sir, you see a little old man ride up on the bicycle and say, what time is the reggae? You know what I mean? So, you know, reggae time soon. So I go all a vibe and I go enjoy myself for the people. See, because that's what it is about. Live, man. You know what I mean? So, thanks for having me, Team Blue Radio. This one is called Hustler's Anthem. Yeah? Because, you know, sometimes a lot of people don't get the chance or the opportunity to be educated. So they have to create means and ways of to survive. You know what I mean? You know, get fit in the big corporation. So guess what? You have to get some mango from the bush and put them in a crocus bag or a basket and carry them going to the market. Go hustle and you like orange and you know, your broom and bag juice and banana chips and these things. So this is a song, yeah? It's a song dedicated to these people. Honest, hard-working people. This one dedicated to all of the hustlers. Oh, our Wall Street side peddlers. You know, you got to stay alive. Got to make your means to survive. Feel I dedicate this to all of the hustlers. Oh, our Wall Street side peddlers. You know, you got to stay alive. Got to make your means to survive. You could hustle in on the market with oranges, not a basket. Bills we pay, money yes we want it. Bird of poverty, whoa, that's the target. I want your life is sweet like chocolate. Hear the nuts man, him a come down the street. Hear the nuts cat, him a whistle so sweet. To him a ball on us, me say it's so unique. Team Blue have to grab a ital fit. This one dedicated to all of the hustlers. Oh, our Wall Street side. Yeah man, and that's one of the tune them from off of the Insurrection album, you know? Yeah man, let's go down. More life, more blessing and prosperity. This is Phil Watkis. Boom.